I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosalind if you're new, and we are on our way to Amazon this morning. I literally just got back from my trip yesterday, like yesterday evening, and we are on it this morning like we ain't never left. We got an Amazon shift. I've been up for quite a while, y'all. Like, my sleep pattern is off, so I've been taking naps. I woke up like at 3 o'clock officially, and I just stayed up because I was like, normally this would be like, I don't know, I'd be up by now if I was in Istanbul, but y'all, the trip was amazing. Like, I don't even know what my life is. Like, how did I get the opportunity to travel like this? I don't know, but I'm very grateful. But anyway, we are almost to Amazon. I'm about to pull in right now. I don't even, you know what, y'all, at this point, I'm on such a high, nothing can bring me down. But with that being said, today I want to get let's say 18 packages. That's my guess. 18 packages. Today we're getting 18 packages, no more than 18 packages. That is my guess. So they better, or free money. Let's not forget free money. We always want to put free money into the atmosphere. So 18 packages or free money. That's what we want today. And of course we want it in our neighborhood. We want a little treat like that. But if we can't, we don't want any apartments. We just want houses in the suburbs, like street by street. And we just want to be done early. Yeah, I'm looking and they don't have any routes out right now. We either getting free money, that's what I hope, or they just have not had enough time to bring it out yet. It is right now 6:09. So we are early. So they probably just haven't brought them out yet. But let me take a picture since I'm here. Oh, not this being foggy. Hold on. The phone's been everywhere. It's all fogged up. Okay, so anyway, y'all, it is raining. It's been raining all night long, like storming, okay? So I was like, I have to go to work tomorrow. I have to go to work tomorrow. I have to. I don't have a choice. I've been gone for 8 days. I have to. I have to pay this trip off, and I got to pay bills. So we going regardless. But thank God that it's not raining right now. It is clear. I know it's supposed to be rain all day today and tomorrow, but it's clear right now. We got a clear start at least. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, I don't see any packages out right now, y'all. So what does that mean? What are you trying to tell me, Amazon? You want me to get this free money? Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. This shift is for not $91. It's been $91. Y'all, I've been getting that $91. Oh, I've been getting it. But this time it's for $82, I think. Let's see. $82.50. Let me double check. Okay, so it's for $82.50. It's a 3.5 hour shift, which is still good because this is a $63 normally. So we'll never go for $63. But $82.50, yeah. $91, yeah. So we'll take $82.50 today. And of course we have my favorite Amazon. Yes. Y'all, at this point I have filtered only my favorite Amazon to get shifts. So I'm only looking for my favorite Amazon. The only way that I'm going to go to a different Amazon if things just shut down over here. Like I get no routes and I have to go to another one. But we will always choose the favorite Amazon over any Amazons because it's close to the house and they have routes like this. Like they pay more and they have less hours. So whew, I feel good. Oh, y'all, I just feel so refreshed. Like, what in the world? I have so much energy this morning. It is so crazy. But I know I have to get back on the grind. I definitely do because I have to pay this trip off. I put this trip on my credit card. What I do is, which is probably not the smartest thing to do, but yeah, I'm trying to live my life. I pay for my trips on my credit card. I come home, I work hard, I pay the trip off, and I book another trip. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to book another trip. Let me pay this one off really fast. And I'm going to be good and miserable by the time I pay this off. And it'll be time to go again. So that's the goal. Well, really the goal is to be able to pay it off without credit card. But for now, the goal is come home, pay it off so you can go back. So hopefully like in 3 months, I can take another big trip. And that's what I plan on doing. Because like, what's this month? April, May, June, July. July is my birthday month. So I don't know where I'm going to go yet. But in 3 months, I want to take another big trip. Now, in between the 3 months, I might end up in Mexico or, you know, somewhere small with a ticket for the, where the plane ticket is like $200 or $300. But for the big trips, in 3 months, I definitely want to be going on another big trip. Like, what is my life, y'all? I am so excited about my life right now. It's amazing. And especially when you see like different countries and how they live, and then also how they make you feel. It's just filling me up. It's filling my cup up. I'm just so grateful. But anyway, enough of that. We are waiting on Amazon to pull out the routes or not, and I will let y'all know how many we have. Y'all, it's been 20 minutes and we're still waiting on Amazon to come out that door. Like, what is going on? If we're getting free money, just say that. That's all we want to know. We'll wait longer. Just let us know we're getting free money. Nobody's coming out. I wonder if this is because the lights went out last night. I don't know for sure when it went out, but when I woke up, the clock on my oven, it was blinking, so the lights had to go out. So maybe they were affected by that, and they didn't cancel these shifts. But I'm gonna need y'all to come out, scan us, and let us go home. I'm ready. I have things to do. I have so much laundry. I washed all my laundry. I have so much laundry to put up. So y'all just come out, scan us out, so we can go home with free money. That's all I want. That's all. I don't ask for much. It's currently 6:28, y'all. So almost 15 minutes after we were supposed to have our route, and somebody just came out. So hopefully they're coming out to let us go home, because y'all already wasted our valuable time. So at least somebody came out, because at first I was like, what we gonna do? But you know what? Sometimes when Amazon does not come out, like if something's going on and nobody ever comes out, you have to email Amazon and all of that, and then you just pray that they pay you for waiting. You have to have like so much proof, taking pictures of you in the picture at the facility, like so much proof they need to pay you. And I don't want to deal with that. I just want guaranteed money. Scan me out, let me go home. I have a lot to do. I have a lot of videos to edit. I have a lot of laundry. Yeah, I have a lot to do today. So if y'all want me to have free money, like I said before, just say that. I'm not gonna be angry. Y'all, I think we're about to get free money. I'm taking my iron, but I think we're about to get free money. Like the dude, he had pulled up there like around all the other cars to see if Amazon was open, and now he's left. So unless he's gonna get behind us, which I don't think he is, we getting free money today. Ah! I knew that. Y'all, I'm like the next car. Well, I'm the next car after the one in front of me. I'm so excited. Y'all, I'm like the next car. Y'all, he's almost to me. Everybody is going home. This is free money. This is free money today. I'm the next car. He's coming to the car in front of me right now. Wait, where he going? Oh, he leaving. It don't matter, y'all. I know he's coming to give me free money. It's currently 6:39, and he's scanning people out right now. So, like, very excited about it. I'm so freaking excited. I'm trying to be discreet, though. Let's see. People are leaving. Oh yeah, he's scanning people out, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try to act surprised. I'm gonna try not to act so excited. I have such a rush right now. I'm trying to be calm. Good morning.
Morning. What time is your block for?
6:15.
Alright. Can you pull me that QR code? All right.
Thank you. So freaking excited. I was trying to act calm, y'all, like, you know, whatever. It's okay if I do or I don't. No, it's not. We are done. We are done. Y'all, we got free money and we called it. Like, what? I'm always call it. I don't care if we don't get free money every time I call it. I'm gonna always call free money, so it's fine. But we got free money today, y'all. I'm about to go around them, because what the heck are y'all doing? What are y'all waiting on? I don't know if she's having an issue, but we got free money. We don't care. What? Y'all, this is such a treat. To get free money after I come back from my trip is top tier. Like, what is going on? You know what? We had a solar eclipse yesterday, and they said it was gonna bring new good energy. And I'm feeling the energy, y'all. I'm feeling it in my spirit. I already felt this way before, but we're gonna blame it on the eclipse. Like, we starting off with free money coming back. Oh my God. I'm so freaking excited. Like, I always ask for free money, but I never expect free money because I don't want to get my hopes up. But we did it again, y'all. We got free money. We got $82.50 today. It's normally $91 for a well, it's not normally $91. It's normally $63 for a 3.5 hour shift. I've been getting $91 lately for a 3.5 hour shift. And today we got $82.50 for free money. No shifts available. Let's go. I'm so excited. This is really starting my week off so good. I'm so freaking excited right now, y'all. So I guess this is it. I guess this is all we got, y'all. We just got free money. We ain't gonna have no routes today. Maybe I can get a shift later on today. That'll be a treat, but it is raining, so I don't know. But we got this one. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to end it here. We don't have nothing to do. We finna go home. We finna edit some videos, put the laundry away, and then we gonna get some money later on tonight. How about that? Okay, thank y'all so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you know every time I post, and I post Monday through Friday. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. We got free money.
Your body, it hurts so